Hot. Hot. Hey guys, Stacy here. So I want to show you something that's happening outside real quick. Come with me. So this was very loud, so I decided to mute it, put a little pleasant music on, and just narrate it for you. But my parents' neighbors, who were catty corner to them, had several trees trimmed and taken care of. They have done a lot of landscaping recently, but it was super fun for me and the girls. We went out there and watched them use the wood chipper to just demolish these branches. It was so cool to watch. This guy up here just walking around in the trees. I mean, it was amazing. It was kind of exciting because, oh my goodness, what's he doing? He's gonna fall. And you could see those other two guys back there too. There was like a crew. It was fun. It was fun to watch. Look at that, all those branches. The girls were like squealing. They were so excited. And they would put them in there, and it just like instantly, once they went in, it instantly turned them into sawdust. It's just amazing and terrifying how quickly that piece of machinery can destroy something. So, oh, he sees me there. YouTubers are the worst, right? Am I right? Yeah. We really enjoyed watching this, so I thought you guys might enjoy it too. So there you go. Also, I was wondering, and you guys might know, if you do know, let me know, what would they do with all this sawdust? I couldn't quite ask them because they were working real hard, but I just wondered what they do with all the sawdust after they're done, because you could definitely use it for something, right? Thought maybe they'd sell it as mulch or use it for something that I don't even know about, you know, because there's a lot of that. But, oh, and here's the guy in the tree again, and look, he's got a little chainsaw. He's standing up there in the tree, like, I don't know, like 100 feet off the ground with a chainsaw. I'm terrified of heights, so this, like, I could never do this in a million years. Too scared. So I'm impressed by it because I can't do it. So, bravo, guys.
Hello.
What you doing, Joe?
Walking.
How long have you been walking on here? Ooh, 12, almost 13 minutes. Oh, and now 131 calories. Wow.
And 130 calories and 3.
Is that helping you burn off your wiggles?
Woo!
This is Kyle's Christmas present. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because he might be watching, but it's impressive size, right? What could it be? What could it be? We'll have to wait till Christmas to find out. Good. How do you spell arm?
Arm?
Huh?
Let me think for a minute. Oh, A-R-M.
That's right.
I don't know if you are or have been around a kinetic learner, but this treadmill makes studying for spelling testing things so much easier. It keeps her from fidgeting so much, and she burns off all those wiggles because this is right after virtual school, so she is really wiggly. But this really helps her to focus more so she can get in some more studying. In fact, she even noticed her bangs were too long and wanted them trimmed.
That looks better.
Does that look better?
And it feels better, and I can see better.
kitchen getting ready to make dinner, and I happened to peek in on the kids watching TV, and it's the sweetest thing I've ever seen. Let me just tell you, it's not usually like this, okay? But this is pretty precious. I think Josie especially is tired.
I got you.
These are the beans that Kyle made. Oh. Just some great northern beans, some ham. Oh, there's a, there it is. Big old ham bone. Some chicken stock. Oh, yum. Let's eat some. Yes, let's. When I was a kid, I used to not like beans. I don't know, I thought they were boring or something about them was gross, but now, oh my gosh, I love them. Hot, hot, but good. So time has passed, Charlie is in the bath, but I think that's where we're gonna end today's vlog. Hi, Charlie. Wanna say hi?
Hi. I'm too shy.
You what? You're too shy? Are you ready to get out?
Yeah. I just go under there and...
Are you holding your breath?
Yeah.
Good job.
I can talk underwater.
Okay. Oh, maybe not.
I can.
I hear it. I heard it. But I think that's where we're gonna end today's video. So thanks for joining us, guys. Love you so much. And bye. Say bye. Bye. Oh.